Hey, Captain Chris Johnston here on it snowed again. That's why I got this on. I got to go do some shoveling. What's happening, everyone? Hold on. Let me fix something here. All right. I know all my leaders are on a phone call right now, but that's okay. I got one person, Marty. I need one more. Where's the rest of them here? And it's Diane Lennon. How you doing, Diane? I'm just going to talk to you, Diane. Oh, there's my other beautiful sister, Lister T. What's happening? Yeah, I'm a little late. Marty ran a little late. That's how it works, and I got to shovel snow. Not happy, but you know what? It's really snowing now, actually. Not crazy about snow anymore. Anyway, what's going on today? 8 o'clock tonight. Guess who's back? The three amigos. Marty, Dan, and Mike Ellis. Let's see, Marty DeGarmo, Dan Street, and Mike Ellis. The original three amigos. The guys who put out some amazing videos and just kept it going for almost 3 years. I think in a couple days, 3 years for them. So congratulations, guys. That'll be at 8 o'clock tonight on the Ron and Lynn. Friday Live, as Ron says. So that should be a really good one. They're going to talk about traffic, what it is, how it works. I thought we did a webinar last night on the Robin show, and it turned out pretty good. Basically, we talked a little bit about culture. We talked a lot. Marty actually came up with something good. Let's ask people what they don't understand. And boy, it came up with a lot of really good discussions. So I think it was very helpful. If you get a chance, watch it. I'm not sure where Marty. It's on Marty. It's on Marty, Bill's, Red's, Julie's, Janet's, all their YouTube channels. So go check that out. Look for it on YouTube. It's on one of their channels. Check it out. Show them support. Make a comment. Show some love. That's what we're supposed to do. Let's talk about anger for a minute. The last couple of days, I got into some heated discussions. All right, and anger really is not always a good thing. All right, the thing that I walk away with is always try to agree to disagree. Very, very important. Life is not always rainbows. Sometimes you come across things that you just got to deal with. But take it from me, don't get angry. Let it go. If you think you're going to say something bad, just hang up the phone. So be happy. You know why you should be? Oh, Marty's calling me. Hold on. Hello, Marty. Can you hear me, Marty? Hold on. Let me, I don't know. Marty? I can't hear you. I know you're on here. Marty? Marty, it's Friday. I don't even know how to get out of this. Let's see. I answered the call. Marty, I can't hear you, man. Maybe my sound is no.
You can't hear me?
Oh, now there you go. I had my dummy big head in it.
Oh. Anyway, Chris, why can't you hear me, dumbass?
I'm on a live right now. You realize that?
I can't hear you. Listen, I wanted to let you know that your money came in for that sex change you've been wanting. Right after I shovel snow, I'm heading to the hospital. I wanted to keep it private. I didn't want anybody else to know about it.
Yeah, just like you and Mike and that secret love affair you're having, right?
You had to pay a little extra because you one ugly dude. You know what I mean?
Hey, you guys are all on a call, and I'm doing a live, so I can't. Are you still on that call? No. Hey, Marty. Can you hear me, Marty?
Ow.
This is live, folks. This is the life I live. This guy right here always calling me and pestering me. Marty, can you hear me?
Yeah, there's a delay.
Oh, there's a delay? Huh. There's no delays in Onpassive, Marty. You know that. So the three amigos are back in action tonight at 8 o'clock, eh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Marty, are you going to talk? Marty?
Oh, he is still on now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm live right now. What do you want to tell everyone? What do you want to tell my two
I
people?
want to tell everyone to respect you when you become Christina, because you shouldn't be judged. You shouldn't be judged by your decisions like that.
You're just not right, dude.
I'm just, Chris, love you, man.
I love you too. That was pretty funny. Pretty funny. Now I have no idea what I'm going to say to all these wonderful people on here. All right, let me get back to where I'm supposed to be because, let me see. There, I'm back. All right. Yeah. Marty got me again. Let me say hi to people because I'm just totally messed up now. Donna, how you doing? James, what's happening? Canada's in the house with Diane Lennon. Did I say that name right? Yeah, Donna. How you doing, Donna Hamlin? Ramon, what's happening? Juanita, yeah, I know. Marty gets me every time, Juanita. That's how it works. Who am I missing? Angie, what's happening? Tenzin, Rana, how you doing? John White is in the house. Look at that, John. It doesn't get any tighter than that, man. Let me tell you. Yeah, I got to go shovel snow, man. It's only a couple inches, but it's still snowing right now. So, Alicia McGuire, the TikTok. You are crazy on TikTok. I'm loving it, Alicia. You keep doing what you're doing. Medina, MD, what's happening? Ooh, okay, it's jumping. I don't know. Marty's got me all goofed up here. Let me see what I can say. Okay, I talked about the 8 o'clock. Did I tell you Onpassive's here? Did you know Onpassive's here? Did you know that we're going to be giving another car away? Not me. Ash Mafar is going to be giving another car away to the staff in Hyderabad. All right, Julie Wen gets the honors of presenting the new car to the new winner. I get some honors and I get to give away some of the iPhones. I'm really geeked about that. Ash was supposed to send me the names, which has got to be a secret because I got to learn to pronounce them better because I'm horrible at pronouncing a lot of people's names. All over the world. I just beat him up. So, hey, Red touched on some things. He had a wonderful live. Marty touched on some things. I want to touch on both those things. Yep, we got a really crazy world going on. Here's what I'm going to ask you. Pray that soldiers have the worst shots in the world. Pray that when they shoot those missiles off, they all turn into marshmallows once they leave the cannon. That's my prayer. All right? That's all I got for that. I don't want to talk about it or discuss it because I'm not happy with it. But I am happy with Onpassive. Why? Because I know what it's going to do. To me, Onpassive's going to stop wars. To me, it's going to rise everyone up and not knock people down. So I do turn on the news every couple minutes just to see what's going on. And I don't like it. And then I said I got to do a live and talk to people that I know are true believers. Lovely people. Wonderful people. Even though they get mad at me sometimes, that's okay. I apologize. Sometimes you just have one of those days. But today's not one of them. Today is on the go with Onpassive. All right? If you're not excited and fired up, all right, I'm not going to say the countdown has begun. All right? I just said yesterday what? 60 days, 50 days, 40 days. You figure it out. Tens of millions of people are going to know what Onpassive is. All right? Tens of millions of people who either don't know about it or just don't believe it are going to be in shock. Why? Because a lot of people just don't believe, but you're going to believe because now to all you people out there, now you're going to see it. You're going to feel it. The problem is you're not going to be a founder because once we launch, baby, woo, no more founders. Yeah, you can be a reseller. Nothing like a founder, but it's going to grow and it's going to grow and it's going to keep growing. It's going to be nonstop, guys. You heard Red and Marty always talking about it on their lives. Shout out to Pat Parent, Sherry Dursway, doing lives every day, loving it. Everyone else. I'm still looking for my brother Cedric Flowers. I'm looking for you, Cedric. I don't know where you're at, but I got to find you. Also, Saturday is 11 o'clock. I don't know if we're doing the guests this Saturday. I'm not sure yet. But Julie Milo, 2 o'clock on Saturday, because I don't do lives on Saturday, Sunday, unless something happens, and that could happen. I know Ash is on the move. He's on the groove. The Hyderabad staff is flying high. They're working hard. Man, I woke up this morning and said, hey, Chris, you know what's great? You woke up, you're breathing, you're alive, and you are part of something that's going to change the world. That's a pretty good thing to wake up. When I go to bed, I say the same thing. All right, and lately it's late. Robin Noble, Marty and Julie like keeping me up very late at night. And I want to also shout out for Bill Musk, John White, Robin Noble, all did phenomenal YouTubes. I did share them on my Facebook. They're wonderful. Listen to what they're saying. It's pretty amazing. Robin did a really good one touching on her life. If you don't know who Robin is, she's got the most beautiful voice in the world, and she's a beautiful lady. Been through some tough things, but she keeps going. Shouting out prayers to her mom and her sister. Just heard some great news about Susie McCrae's mom and dad are back together again. Her mom was a little ill and she was in the hospital, but man, prayers work, folks. Keep praying. This country needs a lot of prayers, let me tell you. And I don't care where you're from. Pray to that one up there. You know who he is. He's got many names. That's okay. Pray to him. Ask him for help because we definitely need it. All right, Tiana from Hawaii. How you doing? Sorry about your loss, Tiana. A few days ago, Tiana had lost a few friends in a helicopter accident, I believe, in Hawaii. Tiana reaching out for prayers for you and your family. Jim Gaddis, what's happening? Jim, loving your TikToks and your Instagrams, man. Really, really going. Loving it. Joyce Parker Hicks is in the house. Where's Joycey? Joycey with that live. Joycey, you got a lot of attention on that live. Keep doing it. Don't stop. Have no fear. Onpassive is here. One of my beautiful sisters from Bangladesh said something really nice last night. Let's see if I said this right. She said, "Onpassive is peace." Three words that I thought were very, very powerful. I've never heard it that way. Onpassive is peace. And she went on to talk about that. I wish I can remember her name, but it was really, really powerful. And that's what it's all about. Onpassive is peace, guys. There's no doubt about it. We want to bring joy, happiness, life back into this closed world right now. We want to open everyone's eyes to the phenomenal company called Onpassive and what it's going to do for you. But I do have to get out and shovel snow. If you got a birthday today, and I don't have much to say. Sometimes I just don't have a lot to talk about, but I'll come out here and shoot the breeze. Almost said that bad word. Shoot the stuff with you. And just say hi. We're still here. We're not going anywhere. We don't want you to go anywhere. We want you to keep doing what you're doing. All right. Be ready for some announcements. Could be today, could be tomorrow. I don't know. I'm waiting just like you. But that's okay, because you know what I'm going to do? I'm waiting. I'm going to go shovel that fluffy white stuff. Not happy about it, but I know I got to do it. So everyone, you have a great Friday. Don't forget to get on Ron and Lynn's show, 8 o'clock. The Three Amigos are going to be on there talking about traffic, which if any of you don't know, all right, if you don't have traffic, you don't have a website. Onpassive, all done for you. It's going to drive direct traffic to you. It's going to build you a website, free domain. A lot of people going crazy on these domains. Hey man, go buy a domain if you want to buy it. You're going to get one free with each account. But if you want to do it like they're talking about, go buy it. You can do it. You can transfer it right to Onpassive. If you got to do it, do it. No biggie. Don't get confused or scared about it. You don't need a domain because they already gave you one. But if you have a business and you want to, beef that domain a little bit for what you want, get it. It's okay. Not a problem. All right, one more hi hellos. Mario, what's happening? Tracy Richards, how you doing? Ivana Pole, Superman. Superman. Ooh, I wish I was Superman, Ivana, sometimes. SM, Ferdusi, how you doing? Yeah, there's Joyce Parker Hicks. Yeah, that was really a good live, Joyce. Joyce, you're very good at it. Like Pat and Sherry. You guys, you ladies, come on out, and that's what I want to see. I'd love to see when the ladies come out, because more people listen to ladies than men. I'm positive on that one. Ask my girlfriend. She'll tell you. And Dario, I'm black. What's happening? Prayers out for all. You're right. Dario, thank you. Majana Shopping, how you doing? Pat Parent, power of prayers for the world. Absolutely. Am I missing anybody? Nuralam Islam, how you doing? Shh, I said hi to Juanita. What's happening, Juanita? Yeah, Marty was making you laugh today. Suzanne DeVoe, what's happening? I think I got everyone. All right, I got to get going. Not much to say, but I think I'm passive. That's all I got to say is I'm passive. I'm passive. I'm passive. It rocks. It's going to rock the world. It's going to shake the world. It's going to build the world. All right? Say some prayers, guys. It definitely helps. If I missed something, I don't know. If I missed you, I'll get you in the comments. Bill Must! Are you even on here, Bill Must? I didn't see Bill Must on here. I forgot to tell him I was going live. Bill Must, you know what I'm going to say. Roll that YouTube, brother. All right, guys. I got to go. It's here. Woo!